Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to indent here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Indenting here in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that is very useful to visually organize your data, especially when working with a lot of information like tasks and subtasks in the project management. Once you are logged into your account, just hover to the file that you're working with. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to click on it and then just click on the number of the row that you want to indent. In this case, I'm going to be using this one. This will become a subtask under the row directly above it. All right. So I'm going to click on this. You see this option right here beside the font style? That's going to be the indent. And the shortcut is Control plus and this symbol. You can make selected rows sub-items that can be expanded or collapsed. Click that. You see? So I'm going to put in some entry here. Collapse for now. You see that? That's how you create an indentation or indent a row. Right? Now the idea is if you want to remove that, the indent is gone, right? So basically all you're gonna do is click on the outdent. You see that? That's how you remove the indentation. Now, as you can see it from here, indenting rows will allow you to create a parent and child relationship or a hierarchy, making it easier to structure tasks, subtasks, and even subtasks. All right, if you get what I mean. Now, it helps team to understand how smaller tasks can contribute to a larger project goals. I find it very useful if I am working with a lot of multiple freelancers, if I'm working with different clients, with team members within a project or an organization, because you can use indenting to group tasks under different phases or categories, providing clear organization. And as you can see, indenting in Smartsheet is a powerful tool in enhancing clarity, improving collaboration, especially when dealing with complex projects or long lists of tasks. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.